Heating and Air Company 2 years in a row.
And one less option to get through those areas when the other freeways are busy. So LA, maybe a mess for a while, but our beach can't be beaten. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, let's just not think about driving.
Yeah.
No.
That just sounds awful. Yeah, it's beautiful at the beach. We can take you to Pacific Beach right now. You can see it is nice and peaceful, just like Kim said. A lot of people in the water, some people walking around, just really soaking in the beautiful weather on this summer evening. The temperatures in downtown San Diego, 71 degrees. The humidity at 78%, and dew points are running high at 64 degrees right now. The humidity is going to be a big factor this week as monsoonal moisture returns. We're going to see the chance for thunderstorms pretty much all week. The best chance for thunderstorms to travel away from the mountains will be tomorrow and Wednesday in the afternoon and also in the evening. The main threat with those given thunderstorms will be flash flooding and damaging wind gust. Any thunderstorm will be capable of producing heavy rainfall. And you can see the big picture here. This is why we're seeing moisture once again around the areas, because of this ridge of high pressure. And it's all about location or placement around it, rotation, picking up moisture, and then bringing it right into San Diego County. We're going to be tracking those thunderstorms every afternoon, and that ridge eventually is going to be shifting closer to California. That will put an end to the humidity. But for tomorrow, high clouds stretching all the way to the coast, and then by the afternoon, right around 2 o'clock, very similar to today, a chance for thunderstorms traveling towards the coast. Temperatures tonight down to 68 Escondido, 67 in San Diego. And as we fly around the county tomorrow, upper 80s in Spring Valley, 90s in Poway. Let's take you right into our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast. Temperatures near 80 degrees pretty much every day. A little bit hotter along the coast, 84 degrees Friday into the weekend. Inland communities will stay in the 90s with a chance for thunderstorms tomorrow. Better chances at more sunshine on Wednesday, but it's going to be hot and humid. Saturday, Sunday, 92 to 91 degrees. Mountains and deserts that we have, or you have rather, the best chance of thunderstorms here. Tuesday through Thursday. Friday, there may be one of those pop-up thunderstorm, just kind of leftover thunderstorm that develops, but the best chance will be through Thursday.
Clouds were impressive today.
Oh,
yes.
yeah. And beautiful, but wow. Incredible what was going on in the East County.
Yes.
Those thunderstorms. Thank you. California banning